Hi guys, today I am here with another P.E.K.K.A Bobat strategy attack. I have 6 party wizards. Yes, they're back. I love party wizards. They are similar to wizards, but they are a bit faster if you have noticed. And so I have 6 of them because of the event going on. 4 healers for the Queen Walk, 4 P.E.K.K.As, a baby dragon minion, and 8 bowlers, wall breaker and bats. So the plan is I will drop my queen here, as you can see, one baby dragon on this barracks. So what I want my queen is to do is that she will walk like this, take this wizard tower down, and then she will come back and walk inside here. Then I will drop a barbarian king on this army camp and P.E.K.K.A on this barracks. So the barbarian king will go like this and P.E.K.K.A will go like this. Basically the funnel has been set from both sides. Wall breaker, P.E.K.K.As, bowlers. I have some the party wizards are basically for clearing out air clan castle troops. That's why I have taken them and for cleanup. So then my push will go like this, take the town hall down. Now this part is divided into 2 sections, this and this part. So as I have balloons in my CC, so it depends on where the balloons go. If the balloons take out the defenses of this compartment, then I will start my bats from here. But if the balloons take out the defenses of this compartment, I will start my bats from here, this side. So the plan is explained to you. Now let's start. Queen, healers, baby dragon. As I said, the queen will walk like this inside this compartment. She has very good range, so she can reach this wizard tower. Now I started my funnel. Barbarian king, P.E.K.K.A. Now loons and a max P.E.K.K.A came out of the CC, and I dropped in a haste. I dropped all of my party wizards, which I shouldn't have done. Then wall breaker, 2 P.E.K.K.As. I should have waited a bit, but that's okay. Now one balloon didn't go down. So look at this. The OP minion. The minion single-handedly took out the balloon. I did not want to lose all my bowlers, so I used a freeze on the balloon. As you can see, raged. This whole compartment is down. My push is going like this. It is very successful. Bowler P.E.K.K.A push. Now remember what I said. If the balloons destroy weapons of this area, then I will start my bats from here. So as you can see, this area, most of the defenses have been destroyed. So, and this wizard tower, this whole section has been taken down by the P.E.K.K.As. So I will start my bats from here. As you can see, I need only one free spell because of this one wizard tower standing here, which I think the balloon will tank. The balloons tank, but they go down, so I have to use a freeze anyways, which is not a problem. Take out the wizard tower, and now it's just the cleanup. GG. Speeding it up 4x speed. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to